led me straight to the lost city. Now, prepare to die.
There were just hundreds of snakes in this temple just waiting for us to show up.
What? Why aren't they biting that guy?
This is ridiculous. Delete. Delete. Delete.
I feel like this movie is like a hug that we all need. It's why we wanted to do this movie in the first place. People have had a hard run, and this movie, I hope, gives a little brief moment of cinematic escape.
Yeah, we wanted to give people something that they can gather together and just laugh and have a great time, and I think that's what it does.
It's incredibly fun, and there's high stakes, but everyone's very quippy all the time, and it's just there's something incredibly comfortable and lovely about it at the same time as being it's genuinely funny and very action-packed.
Well, the nostalgic vibe is for us who remember when they used to make movies like this, where they had action, adventure, scope, romance, drama, depth. Without all those elements, it just wouldn't have worked. Had we not had the depth, had we not had the beautiful role of Nana, had we not had storylines of loss and lack of relevance and all those things, then you would just look at it and go, okay, it was a vapid 1 hour, 53 minutes, but you leave going, wow, they were unafraid to put their toe into some deep stuff. Funny is funnier if you have a little heartache.
I think they did an excellent job of casting in which they knew our strengths and knowing how to combine us in certain ways. The whole thing felt improv, you know what I mean? In the sense that we were just listening and in tune with one another and figuring out, okay, well, I bring this to the table. What can you do? What can I do? And it was just so much fun. And then you have this element of action that I don't think any of us really was expecting. And so it's a beautiful blend of all the elements.
There's so many amazing comics in this that you're just gonna laugh. I am driving.
Loretta Sage, getting you out of here.
Why are you so handsome?
My dad was a weatherman.
Hey, whoa, she doesn't need saving in there.
Okay.
What are you doing in there?